Look what came in today. It is my NewBeauty TestTube box. I did spoilers for this earlier in the month. Hello my beautiful friends. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We are unboxing the March-April NewBeauty TestTube box, as well as giving away one of these items to one of you. Speaking of giveaways, every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of March. It is the ColourPop Lush Live palette. Kind of looks like this. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. It talks about how to enter that one, as well as my other giveaways that I've got going on. Giveaways are really easy. Watch the videos in their entirety. Be subscribed. Somewhere throughout here is going to be letters that pop up that will form a secret word that you're going to need to know for this giveaway. Now, as far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Nomad Venice Simplian Express palette. It looks like this, and I kind of have these shades kind of through here on. I love how versatile this palette is. So this is the Spring Cleaning Test Tube box. So you can pick up this box for $38.90. You'll get charged that every other month. So let's meet the products that are in here. You see me looking down, it's got like a QR code that takes you to it. So I'm kind of looking at my notes on my phone. So this is the NewBeauty box. It is put out by the NewBeauty magazine, and they call this one the Test Tube, and you can kind of see why. Most of the products kind of come in a tube. I love that you can reuse like the lid. You can put makeup brushes, do whatever you want with it. A couple of the products wouldn't fit in the box, in the test tube box, so let's grab those first. So it's mainly skincare, kind of good for you type items, and every once in a while they will throw in a makeup item. So the first thing in here is from David's. It is a sensitive whitening peppermint premium toothpaste. It does retail for $9.95 with a hard-hitting formula with ingredient Hydropatite developed by NASA to regenerate the bone and enamel astronauts were losing in space. This toothpaste knows how to safely and effectively reduce sensitivity, bad breath, stained teeth while it repairs. So that's kind of cool. It is fluoride-free and sulfite-free. It does have a natural peppermint and essential oil blend. So we did get from this brand their vitamin C last time. This is Livion Labs, their Lipoceric Glucothione. It does retail for $74.95. Discover a better way to absorb glucothione, which supports cellular, liver, and immune system health. So anything we do for immune systems, I'm all about, and I do trust this brand because I've tried other stuff from them before. So from Luxie is their 580 flat top Kabuki Rose Gold brush. It does retail for $25. And I've been doing a lot more of my foundation with Kabuki brushes lately and have been loving that. So this is inspired by past Japanese drama actors and their dedication to their makeup. Luxie's Kabuki brush perfects the coverage of your favorite foundation and ensures flawless makeup application without wasting any product. From On Me is an energy supporting patch. It does retail for $12, and everyone despises the jitters and shakes that often come alongside a morning cup of coffee, but On Me's energy boosting patches is here to save the day. Designed to provide sustainable energy from morning to night through natural caffeine sources, both your mind and body will make it through with ease. I'm allergic to caffeine, so this will either be in today's giveaway or a future one. from Sukey is a hydrating mist toner. It does retail for $8.99, and there's no question why one Sukey hydrating mist toner is sold every 40 seconds. It makes the skin look dewy, adds a boost of hydration, refreshes the skin on warm days, and makes it easier to blend in the makeup. See if it'll give me a little refresh. It's I don't like how that came out because it's not a very fine mist, so if you're putting it underneath makeup, I could see that helping the blend, but as a refresher during the day, if you already have makeup on, I think the droplets are way too big for that. This guy is my favorite thing in here so far. I think it's my favorite thing altogether because I already did spoilers for this. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Peptide 21 Wrinkle Resistant Eye Cream. It does retail for $75. It is a wrinkle fighting eye cream that visibly helps improve the look of crow's feet, fine lines, deep wrinkles, darkness, and puffiness. Yes, please to all of those. You guys, I have not found a Peter Thomas Roth product that I did not like. So dinky for $75, you guys. Here's how much it's filled to. Come on, light. So pretty good. I'm just rubbing it in right here. There's no real scent to it. Love it. The last one in here is from Light's Liqueur Nail Liqueur. It does retail for $9.50. It is cruelty-free, vegan, and 7-free. These polishes are not only long-wearing and shiny, but also healthier to use, which compared to toxic chemical-filled products. If I remember right, I want to say it was like a gold shade. Maybe like a duochrome gold peach. I think it's coming off gold in the lights, but just looking at it by itself, it's really peach. That's really, really cool. I've never seen, I don't think, a duochrome in a nail polish. Love it. So I think that there were some good items in here. I also think that there were some misses. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know which one was your favorite product. So let's give away that Omni Energy Support Patch. I can't use it, and I'd rather give it away to somebody who can. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Secret word, and also what your YouTube subscriber name is. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. And you must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. This giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So this giveaway go through April 8th, and then on April 13th we will go and I'll take all the first names and first initial of your last names from the Google Forms, as well as if you did those bonus entries. How you get bonus entries is one, you can go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, followed by the letter B. Another bonus entry, if you go follow me over on Twitter, it's the same, BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. And you can get a third bonus entry if you share this video. It really helps out the channel when you do so. If you did mark that you did do this bonus entries, make sure that you do, because I do check. So then on April 8th, Midnight Mountain Standard Time, I'll take first name, first initial of your last name, the bonus entries if you've done them correctly, and I'll put all that information into my spin the wheel on the computer. Then on the 13th, we'll all watch the names go around. The computer picks the winner. I don't, so don't ask to win. Then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell your information. I don't create a distribution list or anything like that. If you like this video, give it a big like. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.